Hi, my name is Dr. Mark Halpern, and welcome back to my series of short videos on chiropractic care. Today I would like to address the issue of cracking your knuckles. Many people believe that adjusting your spine is the exact same as cracking your knuckles and that it's bad for you. Well, when you get an adjustment, there are three things that are necessary. First of all, it has to be on the right line of drive. Second, you have to do it with the proper speed. And third, it has to be a joint that is not moving properly, and therefore you're trying to impart proper motion. So let me address those one at a time. Here I have a human spine, and all of these vertebrae are joined one on top of the next, and they all move. The movement is crucial to allowing proper nervous system flow. When you get a subluxation, which is a joint that isn't moving properly, we want to move it with an adjustment. When you give an adjustment, every joint is on its own angle, and you have to give the adjustment along that angle to get proper motion. If you went against that angle, you could create damage. So if you have your knuckles and the two bones are joined like this, you want to adjust that along that angle, because if you jammed it, you could create damage. And the way most people crack their knuckles is like this or like this, which is just damaging the joint. The second thing that's important is the speed. Like a magician who pulls a tablecloth out from a table and everything on the table remains still, when you give an adjustment, it's important to do it at the proper speed so that you don't hurt the ligaments and that you don't hurt the joint itself. And the third thing that's important is that the joint is actually subluxated. There's no need to adjust a joint if it's already moving and functioning properly. Likewise with your fingers, if they are subluxated, it's very healthy to adjust them. If they are moving properly, then you're going to create problems later on, such as arthritis or joint strain, simply by adjusting an area that doesn't need it. So proper angle, proper speed, and the proper joint. As long as you have all three, it's very healthy not only to adjust your spine, but also to adjust your knuckles. If you have any other questions, you can always reach me at www.thetorontochiropractor.com. Thank you and have a great day.